everyone, this is Keja, and today I will be showing you some beginner arm workouts that you can do with just a pair of dumbbells. I will be using 5 pounds, but you can go heavier or lighter as long as you get to do the exercises with proper form, but at the same time challenging yourself. Before we head on to our exercises, please don't forget to subscribe to Bikami's YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at cage.landicho. First exercise is the shoulder press. Place the dumbbells on the side of your shoulders, just like how I'm showing it here, right here, and then extend it upwards until your elbows are above your head. Lower back to the starting position, and that counts as 1 rep. Do 15 reps and 3 sets. Second exercise is called the front raise, which will be working on your shoulders. All you have to do is place the dumbbells in front of your upper leg with palms facing your body. Raise your arms until they're parallel to the floor and lower back down to the starting position. That counts as 1 rep. Do 15 reps and 3 sets. Next exercise is quite similar to the front raise, except we'll be doing it on the side. All you have to do is place the dumbbells on the side of your upper leg and then raise it up until it's parallel to the floor. Lower down the dumbbells until it's back to the starting position, and that counts as 1 rep. Again, do 15 reps of 3 sets. And now we will be doing one of the most basic exercises out there, the bicep curl. All you have to do is stand tall with your arms on the side, elbows tucked in, curl dumbbells upward until your palms are facing your shoulders. Lower back down to the starting position, and that counts as 1 rep. Do 15 reps and 3 sets. Last exercise is called the tricep extension. Grab 1 dumbbell and place both hands under the inner plate of the dumbbell with this grip called the heart-shaped grip. Extend your arms upward above your head. Lower that forearm until the dumbbell is behind your head. Go back up to the starting position, and that counts as 1 rep. Do 15 reps and 3 sets. If you don't have dumbbells at home, you can also use water bottles, just as long as they're of the same weight. And that wraps up our arm workout. Thank you guys so much for watching.